Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to enable USB debugging on your XIAOMI 15T. So enabling USB debugging on your XIAOMI 15T requires two main steps. First is activating the hidden developer options menu, and then second, toggling the USB debugging switch within that developer options menu. So let's go with the first step. Is activating developer options. You have to open settings, and at the very top of your settings menu you should find option section about phone and find your OS version. This line, you want to tap on this line repeatedly very fast like this, and now you'll be prompted to draw your pattern, so you want to do that. And you see this little message, you are now a developer. So we have enabled this developer mode. So let's go back to settings, and you want to scroll down to additional settings, and here find developer options. So now in this developer options menu you want to find debugging section. So here it is, a debugging tab, and find option USB debugging, and you want to finally toggle the switch next to this option on, and you will see a warning message about the risks of enabling this feature. You should read it, and if you agree you have to tap OK button to confirm, and also you should mark this a little circle so that you are aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences. So confirm that, and basically when you do that, when you connect your phone to your PC via USB cable, a pop-up should appear on your screen asking you to allow USB debugging, and you should tap allow button. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.